Arrive in style with this Ford 2019 Edge SEL. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-view camera, rear-view monitor and dash, steering wheel-mounted controls, voice recognition controls, blind spot sensor, impact sensor alert system, phone voice activated, stability control, electronic messaging assistance with read function and parking sensors rear. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.